Organic carrots with skin probably taste the best compared to the prepared carrots or baby carrots, but I most of the times use baby carrots because it saves a lot of time. Before boiling these carrots, I don't have to cut them. I can just put them in the water, but cook time will be shorter if I cut them into smaller pieces. These baby carrots that I got from Whole Foods taste really good. They have good sweetness, and once it becomes puree, there will be more sweetness. The carrots have lots of water and fiber in it, and of course, a lot of nutrition. What other vegetables have such a beautiful orange color? I guess some sweet potatoes. Actually, when I mix this puree carrots with a pureed sweet potatoes, it tastes really good. They go along very well. I think I would like to make the video for sweet potatoes and carrots puree. Okay, fast forward. And now I put the carrots into the boiled water and cook until soft. It took only 10 minutes or so, but if I don't cut the carrots beforehand, it took 20 minutes or so. Now, as you can see, the carrots are soft. If I don't cut the carrots beforehand, there was no difference in taste. It just took a little bit longer. Now drain the water, but not all. Leave some so I can add it to the mixer. Because with the water, it's gonna mix it easier. I use Evelyn's blender that I got from Thanksgiving. It was half off. It works pretty good. Now it's done. Wait for 5-10 minutes before serve because it's still hot. So let it cool for a little bit. If I add less water to the mixer, it becomes less soupy like this. I make a lot of these. I buy carrots every week, make carrots puree every week, just as I cook apple puree.